everybody, this is Vance at fishingforvance.com. I am totally pumped up this morning because I'm going fishing with my son. He's able to not be working today, so I'm pumped. We just loaded the boat. It's a cold day here in PA. There's the Pelican modded out up on the old Tacoma that's covered in crap from the trees, but who cares? There's my boy. He's loading up his GoPro. He's getting ready to go.
Yeah, we're doing a little bit of a check of the angle, making sure we're ready to roll. I think we are.
How'd that go? Check of the what?
Good.
Check.
We're checking the angle.
Oh, nice.
We're good to go.
All right, cool. So we just packed our bags. We're not going to go through that because we're going to get to fishing. Let's get out there. It's freezing cold.
Let's do it. It's time to try out Strike Hawk, Fenwick Strike Hawk today. We're going to try some jigs, try some paddle baits, try some other stuff Vance is going to demonstrate how to do, and also we're going to use the trusty plastic on the Fenwick Eagle. So we'll show you all about how that's going to go, and I get to use a table for the first time, so I'm pumped up for that. Fish on.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm just pumped up the Catter's going with me on the boat. I'm going to throw some creature baits today, and of course try to get some more in the jig. But
this is my inaugural first trip on the boat with the modifications, including the table. So I will let you know how that goes.
All right, sounds good. Let's get to fishing. We're out on the water. It's pretty windy. It's cold. It's about 42 degrees here on May the 7th, which is crazy here in PA. But it's pretty. It's still pretty cold. I'm hoping the sun comes up and warms us up a little bit. But we're gonna fish for, I don't know, 3-4 hours. Have some fun. Catter wants to try out his new pole, his new
Silverhawk 2. You know I got it.
his Silverhawk. He's got the big KVD Leroy on there.
That's right.
So hopefully we get into some fish. We'll see what happens. We're gonna journey to the corner there, get a fish on. Here we go. Fish on. Cat, turn your camera on. Catter has a fish on. First one on the Silverhawk. That's well done.
Oh yeah, check that out.
The
That's
Silverhawk.
awesome. Silverhawk, he tried to take me down the weeds, but I got him. Oh, he broke the net. That's all right. We'll just swing him. We'll swing the basket.
We brought the wrong net.
Swing the basket in.
We brought the broken net with us.
That's all right.
That's well done. Yep.
Got him.
Yes, sir. You got him.
Oh, that's nice.
We're just bringing them in, baby.
Oh, that's nice.
Little creature action
Nicely done, Vance.
for us. I just said I didn't fish that corner appropriately.
And you got him.
And I got him.
Fish,
Thanks.
That's what he's
The small bullshit. Bullshit. Yeah.
got him this time, Vance. My man.
Way to go.
I told you I was going to get him.
I know.
And I got him.
That's awesome work by you.
Well done. Well done.
Long arm of the law.
Got him. And there he is.
That's well done, buddy.
Bam.
Oh, that's a textbook hook set.
Look at that, folks. Switch over to the regular purple. We got him.
Smaller splitty, too.
Built in the U.S. of A.
We could have a double going here. Both fish are on at the same time. Let's just swing them both in, kids.
And it's a double.
That is the definition of a double right there. Yes, sir.
Doink.
Let's there. Look at that.
Look at that right there, baby.
KVD purple.
That's good stuff.
Yes, sir.
There he is.
That's well done.
That is well played by both of us.
Yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Nicely done.
Thanks.
Yeah, I got it up.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Alright. I was able to get this dude on this thing, but he was full of fishing line. It looked like some real small trout hooks, so kind of did my boy a favor. Good thing he hit the KVD purple, except I put it in his eye. I'm screwing around, showing Catter where the fish are, and I think I have a fish. I don't know what I even have here. I have a fish. Don't dive. Oh yeah.
He's a nice size.
Let's get the release.
That's beautiful. Hey Vance, comes in handy, folks.
I'm doing stand-up footage right now.
That's all right.
Standing up footage. Oh, that's well done.
Okay, we got it. There he is.
That's well done.
Pulled him out of the weeds with the strike hawk. The strike hawk was key there, folks, because we needed that backbone muscle to pull him out of the weeds.
Nice.
Nice size one too. He caught it. Right to the right of the barrel. That shit. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Oh! Better nut job. Very nice. FishingWithVance.com. Catter caught another one on the wedge. Like, take your time. This is a good fish.
Yeah. Boom!
Wow. Is my camera running?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That is beautiful.
Look at that guy. Let's go around it. Look at that.
Wow. That is a good one. Good job, buddy.
Do an Uncle Mike thing.
Nice. Good job, man.
That's a true highlight.
I love it. FishingWithVance.com. Let's get the release.
Let's go on that one.
How's that go?
Let's go.
FishingWithVance.com. My boy's on fire right now. We're not even messing with nets.
Because it makes sense. You know I got it.
Let's call that one out. Take your time with him.
Nope. He's not that big. Nope.
There's on fire today, folks.
There we go. Number 7 on the board. Where Vance said he would be right to the left of what we call Goose Island there. Fantasy Island. I like it.
Mother Goose was still living there and the fish was living next to him. It is so windy again. I mean, this is unbelievable.
It's hurricane mode.
Yeah.
Hurricane Vance.
Believe it or not, we've caught 10 fish, 11 actually. But again, the wind is just preventing us from really staying on any spot and throwing to any spot. Amazingly, Catter's still been able to put 7 in the boat, mostly up on the rock piles whenever we've been able to get on them, but it's just very difficult fishing the wind. So we'll see what happens from here, but good time. Catter has a chance to catch fish number 8. Put the thing down. This is a beauty. Take your time with them. Take your time with them. This is another beauty. That's well done, Catter.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look at that guy.
That's another
Yeah,
beauty.
I don't wanna...
All right, let me hold him out there. Yeah, that's nice. Good job, buddy. Good fish.
Look at that guy right there.
Good job, man.
He's big.
That's a real nice one.
Take those all day, Tim.
Oh my. It's yet another asinine windy day to the point where we have to row back to shore. Catter's at the rowing position. I got the motor on full bore. Keep rowing, Catter.
Oh, okay, I will work.
Day up though, amazingly in this wind, even though it was very difficult to stay to fish the spots, we're still able to catch 14 bass. Catter put up actually we were able to catch 15 bass. Catter put up a nice number of 11 bass. Vance only caught 4 today, but I'd say Catter's 11 were all pretty good quality bass. I'm sure you'll see in the video, but we still had a hell of a good time. I had a great time. I'd rather be fishing, fighting the wind than pretty much anything else. So still another great day on the water. Many more episodes to come. Catter, any last words as you're rowing us back?
We're heading in, Brody.
Heading in, Brody. All right, well, that's going to be it for today. Stay tuned for future episodes. I hope you enjoyed this episode of FishingWithVance.com.
.com.
Bow.